Okay, in the last video I went over your syllabus. There's still more information out here. Basically, when you're in Blackboard, if you just look at the sides over here, this is where I have everything located. So the next thing on the list would be the textbook, and it is the same textbook from Spanish 1010, and this is what it looks like, in case you had any questions. Then you also need to use My Language Labs. If you guys click here, here's a video that I already made that explains how to set yourself up in My Language Labs, so you would want to watch that video. This is a link straight to My Language Labs. And then this is your course code that you'll need to put into the enroll in course now, so that you're completely set up in My Language Labs. Then I also have a rubric. I might add another rubric here at some point, but this is a rubric that I use to score your reading and your writing. I think there's a different rubric that is used for the final, so I may post that one as we get closer to time. Here's your assignments and your homework. Most of your stuff is from either My Language Labs or writing prompts and reading exercises in the book. So I've listed what you have to do on the 14th, what you have to do on the 16th, what you have to do on the 17th, the 19th, the 24th. This is all, So this is chapter 6, and this is what you have to do in chapter 6 on the 14th and the 16th. And down here, this is chapter 7, what you have to do on the 17th, the 19th, the 24th, and then two other reading comprehension and a video questions activity, and these are both due on the 17th. It'll show you right there. And I will keep adding things as we go through the semester for each chapter, telling you what's due. What's left? Instructional videos, like I said in class, I like to make these YouTube videos that explain the grammar. Sometimes they'll be mine, sometimes they'll be other vloggers. So for chapter 6, you can see I've got videos on present progressive, a bunch on commands, greetings, informal, formal. Then we start with chapter 7, spatial references, time references. All the ones in chapter 7 are ones that I made. And then I started, chapter 8, but I haven't done them yet. Let's see what else is there. And that should pretty much be it. I think I also put your grading scale in here, but for the most part, after we get through instructional videos, I've pretty much, I don't think I've put anything in discussions, and as of right now, I don't think I plan to put anything there. So hopefully that it helps you understand what's going on with our class. You could also, all right, let me go in here since I have it open. Okay, so here's my link to My Language Lab, so I'm just going to go in there. And this is what My Language Lab should look like for you. And so you can see that these are the things that you have assigned. So if you just want to click on an alarm clock, it will tell you what activities that you have to do for that particular day. And that's pretty much it. Like I said in class, I try to post whatever I want you guys doing, but if you need to look at tutorials, they're here. If you need to look at your e-texts here, your glossary, your verb chart, it's all right here. And then everything over here is what I've assigned.